When the work bonus comes in, there's only one thing to do. Well, there's a couple things you gotta do. You gotta pay some bills first. You gotta, look after things around the house. But then you gotta get yourself a watch. Are you with me? I got another Tissot. This one is automatic.
Woohoo! I may have to get dressed up for this.
Time to unbox the Tissot automatic. I know you're dying to know which one it is. Let's go. Okay gang, I think we got all we need. We got the X-Acto. Here we go. I know you can't wait. Without further ado, holy jeez, hot damn. Those of you who were right, the Tissot Seastar. And not just on the rubber strap, we've got that nice Tissot mesh. Damn! The Tissot T120.407.11.041.02 Seastar. Now, for those of you who are like me and you're around the water all the time, I have a pool, I like to go on vacation, I'm around the beach. This is a dynamite piece. Woo boy! The POWERMATIC 80. 80-hour power reserve, I believe. Oh boy. Have you liked and subscribed? You better get on it. I can't wait to get into this one. She's got to get on the wrist real soon. 300-meter water resistance at a glance, exhibition case back, sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel, you name it, she's got it. And on the beautiful mesh bracelet. Oh my goodness gracious, I can't even control myself. I gotta get it on. This is just sick. I can't wait to do the full review on this baby. And a nice little funky design. I've never seen the Tissot box that looks like this. Interesting. So there you have it. That is the Tissot POWERMATIC 80 1000 Seastar. A great diver casual dress looking dynamite watch. Oh my God, I'm drooling. I can't believe it. If you could see me right now, I'm drooling. But oh my goodness gracious. Let's get it on the wrist, have some fun, and get the review out to you guys. Thanks for watching. I'm TheCovertCrow. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and you know what's gonna happen. You'll get notified when the next video gets out. And what do I always say? You know there's gonna be another video. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's right down below. But that's the Tissot 1000, the Seastar with the POWERMATIC 80 movement. Dynamite. Don't worry. Full review is coming soon.